Hey guys, this is our prototype for the final design project. So I'm going to be explaining the basic functionality of it. What we're essentially building is a helmet with turn signals, and this would emulate the handlebars of the bike. So for this we used a button to activate the turn signal. You'll see when I activate the button, the LED blinks 3 times, indicating we're going to go to the left. And when you press this other button, the right handlebar, that's going to be our turn signal for the right. And then if for some reason there's like an emergency or something you want to look out for, you press both buttons at the same time, and the LEDs blink in faster intervals. This is just basic code. A lot of this stuff is like beginner stuff that we did in the beginning of the semester, defining our pins, defining our variables, checking to see if when the button is pressed, checking to see if button 1 is pressed or button 2, and if both are pressed, that's when we indicate to Arduino that we want the LEDs to blink faster.
Right, so we're have a couple of ideas for our the steps on the development process of our prototype here for the bicycle helmet. Basically, we have a list here that we're just considerations and options that we might go with. Right now, we're kind of sitting at, we're definitely going to get like a PCB board where we can actually mount and connect and solder all of the components to the controller and to the LED lights that are going to go on the helmet. We also are planning to potentially, depending on our time, integrate an OLED display for displaying the status on a battery, because we're hoping to put a battery module on our project, so that way it can run by battery and not have to be connected to the computer. The accelerometer is actually another option that we were thinking for the turn signals. That way it can detect like tilts of head motion while you're turning, and then when you straighten out your head, the blinker automatically turns off. So that's another option that we were looking into. And then obviously wireless module, just have our components like the controller and the LEDs on the helmet connected wirelessly and communicate wirelessly with that, whether that be on a transmitter and a receiver, or like a Bluetooth connection that's a little bit more solid. We were considering what option to go with those as well. So yeah, that's just what we got so far.